Hello there, you guys. Welcome back. We're out here for another couple of hours today. So, yeah, we were out here yesterday. Sorry about that time lapse. And we got a lot of trees cut down here. And a lot of this wall done. And then also, we got this wall completely done with logs. Just gonna fill it in with some moss there. And yeah, she's looking pretty good so far. Alrighty guys, got that log on here now. Gonna smooth it out a bit on the top here. But I'm gonna fix this wall up. I'm gonna take this log out right here because the third one down here, it's really bent, it's causing problems. And this wall is a lot taller than this one. So yeah, that'll solve both of our problems. Now it is connected down here with rope, so I guess we'll have to take that out first. Okay, there. Go ahead and slide this one off. And then we'll go ahead and take this one out. There we go. End goal accomplished. Alrighty, you guys. Just finished processing this last log here. Walls are almost done. Alrighty, you guys. Last log is going on. Right that way, I guess. Not that way. There we go. Alrighty, you guys, we did it. We finished the wall. It looks really, really good. Heck yeah. It is currently starting to snow, so boom. Alrighty guys, I think our next plan of attack here, we're gonna gather up a whole bunch of moss, see if we can't patch some holes in the walls here. We're just gonna gather a bunch, put it in this wooden box here. Hey guys, a little bit of an update here. Cut myself. I don't even know on what, but yeah, well, minor. Anyway, we did get a bunch of moss, well, a bunch. And it only did that entire gap, so, but that was the biggest gap in this entire wall. So yeah, got that out of the way. This wall, very happy, doesn't have near as many cracks in it, so it'll be a lot easier if I do end up trying to do what I did over here. And I think the next thing on our to-do list is either this back wall, work on it quite a bit, or work on this fire pit. I might go collect some rocks and build an actual fire pit here. As you can see, I was trying to map out some dimensions, I guess. And then, yeah, we gotta change this front wall. We're gonna build it in front of these trees here instead of behind, and build it kind of like what I did here. So, instead of these big logs. So, quite a few things to do. But yeah, so far looking absolutely amazing. Very excited to see how this comes along. Alrighty guys, short little trip out here, but I'm gonna head home, pack up for the day, and yeah, I might see you guys tomorrow, see how everything goes.